to...
Hey, Xavier here from Tameron Hyundai. Thank you for your inquiry at the Kona. As you see, I have one pulled up right behind me. This is a beautiful vehicle. Why don't we take a look at it? It's going to feature our cascading honeycomb grille, LED daytime running lights, wraparound headlights. Also, it's going to come equipped with our premium alloy wheels, tons of our latest safety features like blind spot detection. Why don't you follow me? I'll show you inside. Now this vehicle is going to feature a 7-inch touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay as well as Android CarPlay. It's also going to come with heated seats, Bluetooth controls, and different drive modes at the touch of your fingertips. But that's not the best part about it. The best part about this is going to be the warranty. Our warranty is going to be 5 years, 60,000 mile bumper to bumper, as well as a 20-year, 200,000 mile powertrain warranty exclusively here at Tameron. So if you would, give me a call, 205-886-0890. You're going to love the way you're treated here at Tameron.